Good afternoon. Today is January 5, 2024 Friday, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sur 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, January 5, 2024. Here are the SL Sur 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for January 5, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for January 5, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.